Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your W-2 from Turbotax. First, you will need to log into your Turbotax account using your user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Tax Home or My Turbotax section. From there, simply select the specific tax year for which you need your W-2 form. It's a straightforward process to begin. After selecting the correct tax year, look for a section typically labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. Click on the chosen tax year to expand its details and reveal all associated forms. You should then see your W-2 form listed. From this point, you can easily download or print your official W-2 document directly from the platform for your records. It's quite simple. It is important to confirm that your employer has already submitted your W-2 to Turbotax. If you cannot find it, your next step should be to contact your employer directly to request a copy of your W-2 form. Always remember to keep both digital and physical copies of your W-2 for your personal records and future reference. This ensures you are always prepared. If you encounter any issues, first verify that your personal information on Turbotax matches your records exactly. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve display problems. Also, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. For a great way to do that, check out the Oala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other helpful deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.